It's day 16 of our 30 Days Decluttering Challenge for Highly Successful Homemakers, and today we are working on shoes. So let's get that started. All the shoes that I have are right here. Well, I do have a pair of snow boots in the coat closet, and that's going to stay there. And I also have a few shoes back here, which include a pair of boots and then some other things. I have to see what's in those boxes, but for the most part, all of my shoes are here. And I did do a declutter last year, so I'm thinking that everything here is going to stay. But let me take a quick peek to see what I've got and if there's anything else that I need to toss. I can probably pitch these tatty old house slippers. These are a little bit scuffed, but I still wear them in the winter time. So they're good for when the weather's bad and I need to go out. So I'll keep those. Those are fine. Those are fine. I forgot I even had these, so I'm glad I looked. I'll be using those. I'll move these down because I don't use them as often. But I'll put these over here. And then all of these up here are ones that I do use. I don't wear these fancy ones as often as I did at one time. The heels are pretty high, so they do cause a little bit of trouble with walking. But on special occasions, I do pull them out. So these will stay. And I'm good. So this area has been decluttered. And one thing that I can suggest when you are trying to organize your shoes is to get some kind of an organizer that can help you with that. This little shelf has proved to be amazing. It's actually a set of two. This is one, and then this is one. So you get 12 cubicles in each one. So I'm able to store 24 pairs of shoes. And after all, I can only wear one pair at a time. If you want to jump in on our 30 Days Decluttering Challenge for Highly Successful Homemakers, it's not too late. You can just step in where we are. I do have a printable in the description box that you can download, and that will show you what we're doing each day, and you can just figure out what works for you and where you want to jump in. For more homemaking and homekeeping inspiration, click here.